Hi everyone, my name is Sandra from Nigeria. I just got my hair from K Hairs in Vietnam. This is their logo, as you can see. This is their logo. And this is my bone straight, natural black. Straight. This 10 inches. This 10 inches is bone straight. And this is H12 super double H12, and this 10 inches too. This is another one. This 12 inches super double, and this is my deep wave. This is my deep wave, 22 inches. As you can see, super double, 22 inches with closures and many more. Thank you so much, K Hairs. Thank you so much, Julia, for all your support. I really appreciate you. Julia, you are the best. Thank you so much. K Hairs once again. I love you guys. I love my hair. I love my hair so much. Thank you. Bye.